All right, so once again, another freaking part on all these getting replaced. Right now, this is the brake fluid cap reservoir. So I already got the wire off, as you can see. Got the wire off. Just want to show y'all why it needed to be replaced. If you can see it, that thing is dry rotting. Yeah, dry rotting, so it gotta go. It's leaking fluid. It's nothing crazy, but that's a problem regardless. So yeah, another part. I gotta go. As you can see, it was pretty bad. No. Identical. Yeah, let's get this sucker in there.